Alright, so now, let's see. So let's shade in 3/6. Okay. And then now let's shade in 6/12. Alright. So what do we notice about this?
This is kind of lined up with this one.
So what does that usually mean?
They're equivalent fractions.
They're equivalent fractions. So did people eat more cherry pie or pumpkin pie?
They ate more. I think they ate more cherry pie.
If they're equivalent fractions,
Oh, they ate the same amount.
they ate the same amount. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Let's just keep it off the loop, okay? So they ate the same, right? Alright, so there's 2 more left. I think now that you get that, you'll be able to get these. So these are both with rectangles, okay? So this next one is Jared has 2 cakes that are the same size. So 2 rectangles that are the same size. So the first cake was chocolate, and he cut it into 12 parts. Just leave it on. Okay. And then the next cake was marble cake, and they cut that into 6 parts.
What?
Marble, it's like vanilla and chocolate. So let's cut this one into 6. So you could just put a C for chocolate and an M for marble. So his family eats 5 slices of chocolate. We're going to put a C for this and an M for this. Alright, and then they ate 3 slices of marble.
Wasn't supposed to go here.
So, what did they eat more chocolate cake or more marble cake?
Marble.
Marble? Okay, so how do you know that they ate more marble cake?
Because it went farther than the
Why don't we write the fractions? So for chocolate, his family had 5 slices out of 12.
5 here.
Mm-hmm. And then for marble, they had 3 out of 6. Just keep it on blue. So, which fraction is bigger? That one? So what do we have to do to this fraction to make it equal? So 3/6 is the same as 1/2, right? So what would we have to do to add, or to make chocolate that 1/2? So instead of 5/12, so instead of 5/12, it would be 6/12. Okay, look, just keep it on blue. So you said they ate more marble. So this last one, it's Jeremy bakes 2 pans of brownies that are the same size. So you can draw the 2 rectangles. We're almost done.
It's like 27 minutes.
I know.
It's like a few minutes above half.
Until what?
It's been like half my ancillary already.
Yeah, we're almost done. So the first pan has nuts in it, and it's cut into 8 pieces. So the first one is 8 pieces. All right, so the next pan is cut into 16 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oops, it has 17 on here.
Okay, let's just cross out 1, okay? Like, okay.
This shading in one. It's not crossing it out.
Yeah, we're crossing it out. So we're gonna keep with blue so we don't get confused. So the first one, 2 brownies were eaten. So shade in 2 brownies in the first pan. And let's write the fraction for that. 2 out of how many total pieces? 2 out of 8. Okay, so the next one, 3 brownies were eaten.
These are equivalent, I think.
Are they?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Because the one here is prime. Right, the one here is this. Wait.
Well, let's see. Let's see if we can make the fractions equal.
See? Look. There's that.
Well, look, there's 1 piece not colored in.
Wait, this is 1.
2, 3, not 4. So 2 over 8. So if you multiplied both by 2, if you doubled it to make it 16, what would the top number be? What would the numerator be?
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
If
You doubled it.
4, which is half.
Well, you have to double the bottom too, remember?
Oh, 8
So it would be-
times 2 equals 16.
So the top would be
16 times
The-
2 equals
No.
32.
not 30. So it would be 4 over 16. If we cut all these pieces into halves,
I don't want to cut that in half.
we're not cutting the 16s in halves. But if we cut all the 8s into halves, then they would have eaten 4 pieces of the brownies with nuts. Does that make sense? So what would we have to do to this pan of brownies? Or how many would we have to eat to make it equal to this pan of brownies?
How? You'd have to eat one from here to make it both one ice cream.
One from here
No,
or one from here?
one from here.
Well, you would have to eat one more for here. Okay, so let's have you do this by yourself real quick. Got this. This. Keep on. Keep it just on black. Huh?
I made it look like the yellow one's going through.
I saw. So just do this by yourself, just on the black. Okay. Okay. Do these two, and I'll put up the fractions. Just do it by yourself.
The whole way at the top.